It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Air Experts. When it comes to clean, healthy air in your home, choosing the right air filter matters. But how to choose? Let's break it down. HEPA filters are known for their incredible efficiency, capturing 99.97% of particles, including allergens, dust, and even some bacteria. They're ideal for allergy sufferers and homes needing hospital-grade air quality. But that efficiency does not come cheap. Plus, most residential HVAC systems are not built to handle HEPA filters. They can restrict airflow and disrupt your system. On the other hand, MERV filters come in various ratings, typically from 1 to 16 for residential use. A higher MERV rating means better filtration. For most homes, MERV 8 to 13 strikes the perfect balance of removing dust, pet dander, and pollen without restricting airflow. So which is better? HEPA filters provide ultimate air purity, but don't always fit in a residential system. If you need this type of filtration, speaking with a professional HVAC company is the way to go. MERV filters have a variety of ratings, so if you're looking for a little filtration or a lot, you've got some options. Choose the filter that fits your needs and breathe easy. And those are some differences between HEPA and MERV filters. We thought you'd like to know.